Alright guys, 758, gonna run this pick one here. We're gonna live. We are live. 758, 758. We will grab the list, which I believe is up here. Alright, we got winner picks one. Corey Knebel or Braun Solo Star Wars. Drop it in. And let me just check this, make sure it's right. Yeah, 8 spots at 5. Alright. We got 8 entries. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, that's not high enough. Looking for a 5 or higher. 8's good, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is 8, next click. And 8, Josh Brand, spot 2, you are the winner. Get in touch with Alan, get that bobble. 759, type done. We're done. 759, 759. Verification timestamp.